just over there. Is that bone?
Yeah, just that bone.
Wow. It's actually pretty stable for as long as it's been here. Oh, I see him. He's coming. Got him on film.
Look out! Where Rocky run? We'll get low, so it's less intimidating.
We just need to get a hold of somebody. I've got the location right here. So we've been out here all day, my wife and I, probably about 5 hours. Finally got a chance to fly this other wing, the Epsilon 9. It's a hybrid wing. You could either use it with a paramotor or just paragliding, but it's got really good glide. I just shut the motor off at 3,000 feet. Just gonna spend a few minutes gliding down. It's right down there. Glide on in. put this camera away and come in for landing. It's been a great day, 5-6 hours out here at the beach.